Salam Sejahtera. My name is Masliana Izati. I'm the group leader. We are from Tourism and Hospitality Department, Polytechnic Kota Kinabalu. We want to present about our product, which is multi-function pastry table. So for the problem statement is, student commute to the store to pick up utensils such as whisk, measuring cup, bowls and digital scales that can lead to a waste of time and the possibility of accident due to collision with each other. The second one is irregular garbage disposal process that can cause the pastry table to become dirty and cluttered. The third one is the original pastry table that took up most of the space in the kitchen, so the movement become limited and less efficient. So for the objective of this product is, the first one is able to save time for student or pastry worker by having a storage place to pastry item that have been provided and reduce the risk of accidents. And the second one is, having a trash can that is already available with this table can reduce the risk of irregular garbage disposal and the table is always clean and tidy. And the third one is, with the foldable pastry table can save more space in the pastry kitchen.
This is how to open the foldable pastry table. First, you need to lift up the table, then push forward the table's leg and stand the leg with the table.
This is how you open the upstairs table. The purpose on the table below, it works like making dough, kneading dough, making cake, preparing before decorating the cake, and other things like cutting fruit. On the right side of the table, there is a trash can.
The function of this drawer is to keep pastry equipment such as whisk.
For the top level of the table, it is used for a place for the bowls and the digital scale. It is also to keep the finished dough or any decorations. These three hangings are for to hang the pastry stuff.
This is how to close the pastry table. You need to lift up the table and push back the table leg. At the end, put down the table.
A set of questionnaires has been distributed via Google Form to the 43 respondents, which is lecturers and students from Hospitality and Tourism Department, in order to collect the information about their acceptance on this product. There's two parts on this questionnaire, which is include demographic for the respondents on part A and questionnaire on this product on the part B. For the demographic, next up is gender. Majority we have female respondents on these questionnaires, which is around 86%. Second one is age of the respondents. The highest respondents are from 18 to 25 ages, which is 19.7%. Next one is the status of the respondents. Many are among students who respond to the questionnaires, which is 90.7% also. Last one is working experience. As you can see, the respondents are less than 1 year than working experience, which is only 67.7%.
Based on the finding, around 60.5% respondent was strongly agree that our product design is attractive. Around 65.1% respondents are strongly agree that design of the product makes the job more easier. Other than that, 53.5% respondents are also strongly agreed to the question regarding to the product that will work well in the pastry. Meanwhile, around 58.1% of the respondents are strongly agree that this product is innovative to use. On the other hand, respondents that are strongly agree that they will recommend this product to their friend are around 69.8%.
So for the conclusion is, we were able to achieve the objective of our product, which is most of our questionnaire are accepted by the respondents. We are also able to overcome the problem found on our product. We also provide a video of our product so respondent can see the usefulness of our product, which is multifunction pastry table.